Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today on my channel I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Asus ROG Strix Scale Edition. This is the latest model for 2022. In fact, this is the latest and greatest from Asus. It has a very good decent spec, at least on paper. So it has the 17.6-inch QHD display with the 16GB dedicated RTX 3080Ti, and then the 12th generation Intel Core i9 12900H 14-core processor, and with 1TB NVMe SSD. Also with me I have this 64 gigs of RAM that I'll be using to upgrade the laptop. So I'm going to quickly do the unboxing and then show you what is in the inside. The laptop is wrapped with a nylon. There you go. Then inside the box you have the charging brick, and then you have the power cable. Under this other side, let me see if there is anything there. Okay, this side is empty. And then on the center you have this other stuff here. Let me see what is inside. Okay, there's a lot of packages here. There is quite a lot of package here. Wow, this is a key holder, a ROG Strix key holder. And you have lots and lots of paperwork here. Lots of paperwork. This, you have this ROG Strix beautiful key holder. Would have been an RGB, would have been very better, but it's not. Let's see what's. And then you have, wow, there's a lot of things. You have this other one again here, and then another one here. Okay, this kind of black color, and then this kind of gray. Okay, no, this is transparent, not clear. This is transparent. I don't know if my camera was able to pick that. Okay, so I will explain later what this thing is when I unbox the laptop. And then I think that is all in the box. So let's put this aside and then check out the laptop itself. Whoa. How do I open it? Okay, follow this way. Yeah. And then the beautiful machine. Wow, this laptop is absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. My god, I think what's the price? Look at that. Okay, so this is it. This thing is interchangeable. You can change it with this one or this one. So you have two extra that you can use to interchange with this one presently. Oh my god, this laptop is very heavy. And then on the front it's like this, red light. There is a transparent, I don't know, my camera can capture this. Okay, you see this place is this transparent something here. I don't know if that if it illuminates. I don't know. This line over here. Now first of all, let's keep it aside and check the power break and see. The power break is 280 watts. 280 watts. So it's not like the 330 we used to have in the days of RTX 3080 and RTX 2080. We used to have 330 watts, but it's like the 3080 Ti is power efficient that the 280 can get the job done. That is very, very good. Okay, so now let's open the laptop up. There's a line here. I don't know if that line illuminates or just a line with the ROG logo. Just cut the laptop into half. Yeah, this line. So I don't know if it illuminates. There's one way to find out when we turn the laptop on. Look at that. So it's a QHD with 240Hz refresh rate. Oh my god, this laptop is very, very beautiful. It's absolutely so. There's also a line that cut like this, and then half of the side is transparent. Yeah, half of the side is transparent. So the line that cuts in between like this side is transparent. You can see the engineering and everything inside, even on the keyboard as well. Wow, I wish that is going to be illuminated. This laptop is beautiful. Okay, so that's the wrap about the unboxing, guys. So I'm going to power it up and then do a quick review, not a full in-depth review. I'm going to do a quick review because there's a lot of things I need to find out about this laptop. I need to find out if this thing is a light strip, like I said. Here there is a transparent. No, Asus went crazy on this laptop. So there's a transparent right over here, but I don't know if that illuminates, but I know this is the light bar down here. This place is also transparent, and I also want to say if this side illuminates as well. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my unboxing, and please do subscribe to my channel, as I'll be doing another review to check the lightings, which one is which among them. So thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.